Oily sludge is formed when crude oil is extracted from the ground and carries with it sediments which are entrained within the oil. The oil industry removes those sediments in the form of an oil-saturated sludge. The scale of the sludge problem is immense. Thermal methods of oily sludge disposal consume huge amounts of energy, and certainly in the case of incineration just convert all the hydrocarbons to carbon dioxide, which is really bad for the environment. Leaving the sludges in open pits in the environment isn't great either, because they can leach into the ground and form a hazard for wildlife. The Envorem solution is a whole range of different well-known industrial processes, but connected together in a special way. But in essence, we're taking in the sludge, we're subjecting it to cavitation, which then tears that sludge apart, ending up with clean water, recovered oil and clean sediments.
So I wanted a piece of software that I knew would handle the assembly side of our CAD well, and also give us the flexibility to put off good bill of materials, and also be able to produce good manufacturing drawings. From my past experience, I know that the Siemens software, the Solid Edge, does this really well. 1PLM introduced us to the Solid Edge startup scheme, which gave us a full bundle of Solid Edge. Using all those tools has enabled us to accelerate the design process. For instance, things like Piping Wizard, finite element analysis and CFD came with that package, which has improved our design flow massively.
So I use Solid Edge mainly in the assembly environment, putting parts together, assembling all that to make sure different pieces line up, see if any other parts need to be added on as well, make sure the forces are balanced out, and if any additional parts need to be placed to ensure stability of the structures.
Within Solid Edge, I like that I can pick up parts from various manufacturers. I can pick up them and put them in an assembly and see how they work with each other.
One of the interesting propositions we have for the oil industry is to say to them, yes, we know you've got all these legacy wastes, but the first thing you really should look at is not creating any more waste. And we believe that our equipment can integrate with oil industry processes, intercepting the sludge at source, returning the oil straight back into the production process, and all that leaves the oil processing site is clean sediments for return to the environment.